Namaste. Let's begin our practice today with a seated cat-cow stretch with your hands to your thighs. Inhale, lift through your heart. And on your exhale, round your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, feeling a gentle stretch through your neck, shoulders, chest, abdomen, and spine. Release and return to center, transitioning into standing postures, beginning with a plank position variation. Clasp your hands to the sides of your chair and step your feet back, aligning your shoulders over your wrists, keeping your core engaged and your navel back towards your spine. As you hold this position, work to keep your legs and glutes active, with your body in one straight line from the crown of your head out through your heels. Adding a mountain climber variation, begin to alternate, bringing opposite knee to elbow, moving from right to left, cinching in all the way around your waist, strengthening and toning through your hip flexors, core, quadriceps, and obliques. Pausing, moving into a bear hold variation. Place your forearms to the chair for support. With your core engaged and your spine in a neutral position, begin to alternate, slowly lowering your knees towards the earth to hover, and then extending back into plank position. Continue moving at your own pace, working to keep your shoulders aligned with your elbows, with your back flat, your spine long, and your navel back towards your spine, cinching in all the way around your waist, using your core to stabilize. Release, moving into a side crunch variation. Come to stand with your left hip closest to the chair and your left hand to the chair for support. Inhale, reach your right arm overhead. Exhale, draw elbow to knee, lifting through your right leg. Continue with this movement, flexing through your side body, working through your obliques. Moving into a side leg lift variation. Lift your right leg up, then out to the side and back to center. Continue with this movement, keeping your core engaged with your navel back towards your spine, strengthening and toning through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps, while helping to improve your balance and stability. Pausing at center, inhale, reach your right arm overhead, and on your exhale, lift through your left leg, adding a toe touch. Continue wrapping this energizing movement around your breath, standing tall, keeping your core engaged and your chest lifting, strengthening and toning through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps, while helping to improve your balance and stability. Release, and let's go ahead and repeat this sequence on the opposite side. Stand with your right hip closest to the chair and your right hand to the chair for support. Inhale, reach your left arm overhead, and on your exhale, draw elbow to knee, lifting through your left leg, flexing through your side body, working through your obliques. Moving into a side leg lift variation, lift your left leg up, then out to the side and back to center, moving through your own range of motion. Pausing at center, adding on. Inhale, reach your left arm overhead, and on your exhale, lift through your right leg, adding a toe touch. Continue flowing at your own pace, keeping your core engaged, moving through your own range of motion. Release, transitioning into a standing cat-cow stretch variation. Come to stand facing the back of your chair. With your hands to the chair for support, walk your feet back with your feet below your hips and your arms extended. With your core engaged, begin to alternate gently stretching your chest towards the earth and then rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue with this movement, feeling a gentle stretch through your arms, shoulders, neck, chest, abdomen, spine, hips, and hamstrings. Stay connected to your breath as you release and come to take a seat. Moving into a seated twist variation. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support, allowing this twisting action to revitalize and nourish your spine. Unwind and return to center. Closing our practice for today. Placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.